Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today we are making ranunculus, which is a very popular flower choice for wedding bouquet. They come in all different colors. Today I'm going to show you how to make in the orange tone. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so you won't miss any of our weekly tutorials. First of all, you will need to cut the petals out from the salmon crepe paper according to the template. We will need about 10 pieces of the first size and 15 pieces of the others. Then we need to color the petals with some white, red and yellow. For the first size, we color the top half of the petal with some yellow. You will need to color one side only. Then the second template, we add a tiny bit of red to the yellow mix, so the outer layer is getting darker and darker. You will only need to color single side top half of the petal. For the third one, we add even more red to form a orange color. From the third side onwards, you will need to color both sides, top half of the petals, because the petals are more and more visible. The concept is to create a graduation of colors from the lighter yellow flower center to a dark orange outer petals. When you are done, they should look like this. Now it's the shaping. First, we gather the tip of the petals and bend it with a tweezer to hold the shape. Curl the petal with your fingers, then we gather the creases at the bottom of the petal and give it a little fold. Expand the petal in the middle, then we need to do the same to every petals. It will take a bit of time. Feel free to watch a movie when you do so. Take out 3 pieces of 18 gauge wire. You can decide the length of your stamp, and mine is 18 centimeters. Wrap the wire together with some green flower tape and bend a loop on the top. Then we need to make a big hot glue ball on the top and wait it to cool down. Now we can start attaching the petals with some hot glue. We start from the smaller size to the bigger size. You just need to keep layering the petals so the petals are altering and growing bigger. We are almost done. When we attach the petals, they might be a bit tight, so we can loosen the petals a little. Then we need to add a few bottom leaves to decorate the flower and simply attach them with some Yoo-hoo glue. Finally, we wrap the flower stem with a strip of green crepe paper to thicken the stamp. And we are done. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you like it. We have noticed 80% of our audience is not subscribed. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. And all our templates are available on our Etsy store. Check them out. See you guys next week.